O, yun na.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Smiley Messina from Alcala Draga Albay. My report is all about nature of intrapersonal communication. Importance of self-talk. It affects our performance. Positive intrapersonal communication leads to positive feelings, which in turn generate positive actions. Second, it influences our communication with others. People who stammer cannot express themselves clearly
Piton ka dito sa
or face identical handicaps which stems not from physical defect but rather
Piton ka
from
dito, kapay.
low self-esteem. Because of negative intrapersonal communication.
Ibaba mo.
Third, it makes a deep impact on our personality. It has a deep penetrating influence on
Magpiton ka dito.
our overall personality. Strategies for improving intrapersonal communication. Monitor and try to improve our intrapersonal communication because of its impact on our personality, life performance, and relationships. Encoding. Ideas are not put into words or gestures to convey intended messages. Transmission. The process by which messages are sent from a source to receiver. Example, putting a hand on a hot pan causes the individual's touch receptor to send a normal transmission to brain saying, "It hot." Face feedback rather. It intrapersonal communication, there are two self-feedbacks, external and internal. External message are heard by yourself, enabling bone condition, neural endings or muscular movements. Internal messages are picked up through bone conduction, neural endings, or muscular movements. That's all.